and Uncle Brian? Are you thinking about it? I love you, Charlie. I love you, Charlie. Pretty soon, Grandpa's going to have his new computer, and we'll be able to read stories, and we'll finish about the wild washerwomen. Yeah? You want to do that? Is that right, Charlie? Is it right? Yeah? Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Are you going to go play outside today? Are you going to play outside? Huh? You going to play outside? You are? Are you going to go for a walk? Huh? Are you going to take Sawyer or Penny for a walk? Yeah? You, oh, good boy. Good boy. Well, when you come here, we can take... Really? Charlie? I love you too, Charlie. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. You are. Oh, Jack wants to talk to you. Did you hear Jack bark? Did you hear? Oh, there's Jack again. Okay. Okay.
Are you there?